Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the recovery menu on this watch. Let's start by pressing and holding the home button and the back button together. Keep holding them until you see the Samsung logo with the rebooting message written under it on the screen. Once you see the Samsung logo with the rebooting message under it, you need to release both buttons and start pressing the home button repeatedly to enter the boot menu. So let's do it. So let's press and hold the both buttons. Keep holding them. Once you see the Samsung with rebooting message under it, start pressing the home button and you should enter the boot menu. After you enter the boot menu, use the home button to scroll through the menu. Basically press it repeatedly to scroll through the list of options. Select the recovery option, and once you select it, press and hold the home button to confirm. And as you can see, we are in the recovery menu. To scroll through this menu, through the list of options, you can swipe up or down on the screen, like that. And to confirm the selections, you can swipe left or right on the screen. Okay, let's scroll through the menu. And in this menu, we have or other options like Reboot System Now, Reboot to Bootloader, Apply Update from ADB, Apply Update from SD card, Wipe Data / Factory Reset, Wipe Cache Partition, Mount / System, View Recovery Logs, Run Graphics Test, and Run Local Test, and the Power Off option. And if you want to exit this menu, you need to select either Power Off option or Reboot System Now, depending on what you want to do with your watch. If you want to turn it off, select the Power Off option. If you want to boot it or reboot into a system, select Reboot System Now. And once you select the option, swipe left and right, like I said before, to confirm. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you enter the recovery menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.